Hello kitchen technicians, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Belle. Today we are going to make steak. Please do like and share this video, and if you are new here, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks a lot. Now let's get the steak recipe going. Let's get 2 slices of beef steak on our workboard. These have already been washed with vinegar. You can also wash with salt to get them squeaky clean. So right here is our beef steak ready to go. These should be about 1.5 pounds of beef steak. Next, we'll mix our spices to season our steak. In this bowl, we'll pour in 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon mixed spice, a half teaspoon ginger powder, and a half teaspoon salt. Mix the spices well. Now what we are going to do is to apply this on the steak. But before that, we want to be sure to pat our beef steaks dry. So go ahead and pat them with tissue to remove excess moisture. When that is done, we can now go ahead and spread our spice on the steaks. Sprinkle it well to make sure every part of the steak gets some spice. Nice! Make sure to turn them over and sprinkle more on them. Now, as you do this, make sure to work the mixture right into the steak. Massage and press to make sure the mixture reaches every part of the steak. The next step is to heat your oil in your pan and make sure it's very hot. In fact, steak is usually cooked in very hot oil on high heat. Please keep this in mind. Let's go right ahead and drop our steaks in the highly heated oil. Make sure to be ready with your tongs so you can turn around your steaks when need be to avoid burning. Let it stay on heat while you continue turning it around for between 15 to 20 minutes so it can cook well. Now, when you notice significant changes in the steak, it's now time to add your 1 tablespoonful butter to your steak in the pan. Let it melt and swirl the pan so the butter will reach every part. Now at this point, you will have to use a spoon or ladle to fetch the oil onto the steak from time to time and continue pouring the oil on top of your steaks for at least a minute and 30 seconds or so. We'll now go right ahead and drop in the pan our 4 cloves of garlic, but sliced, guys. Let this in and allow the flavor from the garlic seep into the steak. It looks delicious. Guys, tell me about the steak you last had. Please comment down and let us know. You know we love hearing from you. Keep turning them on the side as well. After about 6 minutes or so, the steaks can be taken out of the oil. Now guys, we do not want to waste our steak oil because trust me, it's also good. So I chopped a little cabbage and grated a little carrot to stir fry in the steak oil as a side for the steak so we can enjoy it well. So just stir fry for about 4 minutes and you will have a full meal of steak and braised veggies. Our steak is ready to be enjoyed. Trust me, it is yummy. With the ready steak on the workboard, we will poke this into it to be sure it is well cooked. When it goes in and out smoothly, then voila! You have yourself some nice, delicious, cooked and ready steaks. Cut and serve with these delicious veggies and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching this video. I have left the ingredient list for you. Do check it out, okay? And please do like and share, subscribe and hit the bell. Join me again next time. See you soon. Bye.